Welcome back to the last video of our Mexico series. Today is a sad day, we're traveling home. We are super excited to be home and we're tired, so it's gonna be nice to get back. Just into a routine again. We miss our dog, so it'll be nice to see him. And another cool thing is that it's like super wintry, like fall and wintry back home, so it's gonna be a wild jump from this hot summer vibe to Christmassy time back home. So we're gonna decorate for Christmas this weekend, which is exciting, but first we just have to get through this travel day. We're gonna be flying Sacramento with a layover in Phoenix, Sky Harbor, so we'll take you guys along with us and just take you along for the journey. How are you feeling about going home?
I am obviously sad that we have to go home, but I'm also really excited to like get in the Christmas spirit, put our tree up, decorate, and reunite with our Beanie Bug.
Yes, snuggles with Beanie. Well, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay. I don't want to. Yeah, we didn't even use the swim out. Aye. 5 rooms, room number 4. All right, we made it to our gate in the airport. We don't board for another hour and a half. We did get some food at Johnny Rockets in the airport. We just wanted some kind of like chicken, so we just got that, which was pretty good. I was actually surprised. I don't think I've ever actually had Johnny Rockets, maybe once ever, but it was good. I got a chicken sandwich, I got some chicken tenders, good stuff. I didn't bring a hoodie or anything to wear on the plane because when we came in, it was so hot. But now that I'm in the airport, I'm really cold. So we went and bought myself a Puerto Vallarta hoodie. So got some more merch to go home with, which is fun. Got some stuff for our friends and family at the airport. And now we're just downloading things on the iPad and our phones and getting ready for the flight. But we have an hour and 20 until we board, and then we fly to Phoenix. And then that transfer is gonna be a little bit lengthy, so bear with us. All right, you ready to go home? You wanna stay? I'm excited. We're about to board in the next couple of minutes here. We're boarding group 9. We're the last boarding group. I don't know how that happens to us all the time, but whatever, it's fine. Our gate is somewhere, I think we enter through there, then walk outside, maybe?
Would that be crazy if I got Pringles?
No. You want Pringles? Get some Pringles, we have heck of time. It's been about 2 hours since I last picked up the camera. We got some pizza, went on TikTok, and now it's time to go home. Home to our Beanie Baby. Alright, we're all boarded. Back to the US we go. It stopped in Phoenix. I'll take you guys along with us through getting our bags and transferring over, but I'm not sure what we can film, so we have to go through customs, so I'll show you all that we can and I'll tell you all about it. Here is our view. Not too bad. I have a second window here. Pretty smooth boarding process. No delays so far. During the shutdown, pretty good. I feel very comfortable in the seat. And with my new hoodie.
Mr. didn't wear a hoodie to the airport. He just wore shorts and a t-shirt. So of course.
But coming in, it was so hot. So I thought it was gonna be just as hot. But at least we have a menu and entertainment again. I think you get like 40 minutes of free Wi-Fi if you watch 2 ads, which is nice. I have my Powerade AirPods. Ready to go. See how long this takes. I feel like it'll be fine. Go through federal inspection. I'll take you guys for as much as I can until we can't use, cell phones, but we'll see how much we can show you in case you're in a similar situation. All right, quick process, what, 3 minutes? The dog came here. 3 minutes, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, super easy. Just gotta wait for our luggage at baggage 2. We're gonna recheck them. And then we go through a secondary inspection, security, all that stuff. And then we get to go to our gate. So I think we're making really good time. Super easy process. We go through customs, got our bags, and it was like a private bag check area and a baggage claim area. It's not where everyone else goes. And then we dropped it off, rechecking it again. And then now we're just making our way over to security, which I am assuming it shouldn't be too difficult given we're going a different route than a lot of other people do. Should have plenty of time to grab a snack before the flight because I'm pretty hungry. And then we board in about an hour to head to Sacramento. So we're at the last leg of our trip here. And we get to finally make it back home. Cactus. These are authentic Arizona cactuses. All right, when you get to the end of the long hallway, there's an escalator, and then there's also elevators that take you to the walkway to Terminal 4. Everything is pretty clearly labeled and super quick. Everything's been so fast to get us back to our terminal. All right, looks like it's another escalator. And then I see the walkway, I think. Walkway to Terminal 4, connecting flights this way. Arizona is actually really beautiful. It's just really hot. Okay. Let's see. What's our A24? So B. This is actually really nice. It's a pretty smooth process. Ooh, they have Christmas decorations. Ooh, that's getting me in the spirit. Okay. Making good time. Can't see security yet, so we're not sure how long that wait is gonna be, but seeing all the Christmas decor is like making me so happy.
I know, me too.
This is a bit of a walk.
It is a bit of
Tacos. You craving Mexican food? Or do you need a break?
I think I'm ready for a break.
Ready for a break? I can't believe we went to Mexico and went to a steakhouse. It was the best steakhouse though, for a good price too. Is this considered Christmas? Looks like an Arizona Christmas. Okay, we're A24, A and D gates that way. D gates there, A gates to the right. You see that? That's ASU's women's basketball. Okay, right here. All right, we wrapped up security. Now we're going to gates A15 through A30. Security took probably 5 minutes. She forgot about her water. I forgot about mine too until the last minute, and then I poured it out. I don't know what kind of food we're working with, but I'm ready to eat. We also have plenty of time if we wanted to come back this way to check out the other A gates, like their food. Could also do that, depending on what we have up here. 30, like 30 minutes. Pretty good, like perfect timing. Look at this view out in Phoenix. See the city way out there, the stadium. Beautiful. There's our plane. We are a bit delayed by 10-15 minutes, so not ideal, but it's all right. It's our last flight of the trip. Last flight of the day. Time to go home. It's been a long, long day. And we're in the back of the plane too. All right, we're in the very, very last row. That's right there. So in the very back, in this super long plane. There's our view. One more flight to go. you the first class? Thank you. Finally home. Dude, that was a bumpy flight.
That was really
I was kind of scared.
I kind of like the feeling of turbulence, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not like scared that something's gonna happen, but it's just like such an uneasy feeling. Oh, remember this is where our vacation started. Right there. Oh. Dude, we've been gone for so long.
I'm ready for another vacation.
Yeah, no, okay, that's the good part about when a vacation ends is you get to start planning your next one. So I think we're pretty set on trying to do Italy next. Italy and France. She doesn't really want to go to France, but I really want to go to France. So she'll do it for me. She'll make the sacrifice and go to France for me. Dude, this feels so weird because I feel like we were here like a year ago, but it was just like 5 days. Nuts. Absolutely nuts. Okay, well, baggage claim that way. And Sophia's gonna be picking us up. Let's just go find our bags and hope they made it. Beautiful sign. Also, this is what the airport looks like during a shutdown. We haven't really had any issues. Everything's moving pretty smooth. I'm actually really happy to be home.
Yeah.
What a good trip though.
Not all for that last flight. I just
No.
wanted to be home.
Bumpy, scary flight. I never land in a terminal. We get the cool baggage area, the luggage, instead of landing at the Rabbit. Is this already our luggage? Oh, I got it in. Just let it go. I can't believe our bags are already here. Super fast. I think because typically when we fly in the B terminal, we're like further away. They have to like go through the pedestrian area, but now it's just right here. All right, let's go wait for Soph. All right, we made it home. Priscilla's already doing dishes. we walked inside not 60 seconds ago. She's...
I need to make sure Beanie's water bowl is clean before he comes.
Oh my gosh. Well, that's gonna be it for our Mexico series. What a trip, what an awesome time. My first time in Mexico. It was so fun. We're so happy to be home. I'm all out of breath. I just carried our suitcases up the stairs. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was a good series. I hope I was able to put something together that was enjoyable and fun to watch. So if you did watch all the videos, let me know down below what your favorite part of the series was. We'll probably do a sit down and kind of talk about the trip. That'll probably be like the cap maybe to the series, or just kind of just a last minute video before I do my year in review. But this is probably like the last video I'm filming for the year, which is wild. Again, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And do you have anything to add?
We love Mexico forever and always, and I'm so happy that I got to share it with Jaden.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. All right, well that's gonna be it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you guys, like this video, follow along for future videos. We have a lot of fun stuff coming up in the new year. Our potential is just skyrocketing, so thanks for being here, and we will see you guys in the next one.